Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for my video today. I hope that you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I hope that you're having a great holiday weekend. I hope you get to extend it out and spend some time with your friends and family to celebrate the holiday. And so I had a wonderful Thanksgiving, had so much food, it was great. Spent time with family, which is wonderful. The boys always love anything that we get to celebrate. So we're just celebrating, being thankful. It is just wonderful. So I always have leftover turkey, which I'm sure a lot of people do, and all kinds of Thanksgiving leftovers. They're the best. So I have lots of turkey left over, and I'm gonna make some mason jar salads to have ready for this week for my lunch. And if you've been around my channel before, you know how much I love mason jar salads. It keeps the lettuce and the salad so fresh for the whole week. I definitely recommend making these if you are a salad fan, which I am a huge salad fan. So I will show you how I make my mason jar salads. I use a large mason jar, which I'll show you, and then I portion out also my dressings in little dressing cups, and I just layer everything into the salad jar, and then I tip it over on a plate when I'm ready for lunch, and it just comes out and looks so pretty as well, but it's delicious and has all my favorite ingredients. So I'm gonna use some of this leftover turkey on my salad. So you can also use chicken, rotisserie chicken if you don't have any turkey, but this is a really great way to use this and have a really great healthy salad ready for the week. So I'm gonna have my turkey. I made some bacon in my air fryer. If you haven't made bacon in an air fryer, I highly recommend it, so good. I made a video on it that I will post in the description box. So I have that, check that video out if you want to see how I made the bacon. So quick and easy, and the cleanup is easy, which I love. So I'm also gonna add in some shredded cheddar cheese, some cherry tomatoes. I have my lettuce. I just got some bagged lettuce. You can use any kind, whatever your preference is of your lettuce. And then I just have some regular ranch dressing. I didn't have a chance to make any homemade, so just regular ranch dressing of your choice. It'll be in a little dressing cup, so it won't get the whole salad all soggy for the week. So all this together, and it'll be ready to go, be nice and organized, have a super healthy week after eating a ton of food over Thanksgiving. So now we're gonna have some salads, be healthy, be organized, and I hope that this video gives you a little bit of motivation to do some meal prepping, stay healthy, organized, and also save some money on the grocery budget by prepping your food for the week and not eating out at restaurants quite as often. So I will get all this going and have it ready to go. All right, I have my mason jars. So these are really great for meal prepping, a really great size for these salads. So I'm gonna add in, I have my turkey. I love leftover turkey. I just diced it up. And then I have hard-boiled eggs. So I actually made these in my air fryer. I just love making eggs in the air fryer. I will link my video of doing that. They turn out so good. And then I put them in the air fryer, and then I put them in an ice bath, and it just helps peel these so easy. They turn out so good. So I will link in the description box the recipe, or the video to my hard-boiled eggs in the air fryer. I also did my bacon in the air fryer. It is perfect bacon. You can make it as crispy as you'd like. I like mine super crispy. But so I'm just going to cut it with my kitchen scissors into small pieces. You can chop it with a knife, however you'd like. But I just love bacon, and I love making it in the air fryer. So easy to clean up, and it just comes out perfect. So I'm gonna just put one piece of bacon into each salad, and then next I'm gonna add in my cherry tomatoes. I chopped some of them in half because some of them were a little bit big. I'm gonna add those in. I'm gonna add in my shredded cheddar cheese, just a layer of that. So now I have everything layered, ready for my lettuce. I'm gonna add the lettuce in on top, and it's usually kind of messy when I'm shoving all this lettuce in, but that's okay. So I'm just gonna put as much lettuce as I can fit, just gonna kind of shove everything down into the mason jar. And like I said, these stay fresh all week and just keeps the lettuce nice and crisp, and all the ingredients are really great in the bottom. All right, so my salads are all layered. I have my turkey, have my hard-boiled egg, bacon, cheese, cherry tomatoes, all of my lettuce. So now I'm gonna add in my little salad dressing cup. I get a huge pack of these on Amazon. It's like 100 for like $6.99. Perfect for dressings. I will link these in the description box. I'll also link these mason jars. They're really great because they're wide mouth. Even though I always make a mess putting everything in, they're way easier than the other mason jars that have a little bit smaller lid. So these are really great. I'll link them as well. Got them on Amazon, super convenient. So I will fill up my little dressing cups. I'll put it on top of my salad, and then these will be ready to go for the week. All right, so the salads are all set. I will just put the lids on these, store them in the refrigerator. Like I said earlier, these last forever. So they stay super fresh, last all week. So if you love salads as much as I do, make some of these up. You can mix and match your ingredients. I just hope this one gives you a little inspiration to add on everything you like. These are all my favorites. So this is what I'm gonna have for lunch for this week. I do tons of mason jar salads, so check out my channel. I'll link a few of them in the description box so that they're easier to find, but I have them in there. And I thank you for watching. Hope that you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. If you have any leftover turkey, make this salad up, turkey cobb salad in a jar, so it's made ahead for the whole week. I love making these, so thank you for watching. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. Put a thumbs up on this video if you liked it. Subscribe for more healthy recipes. All my recipes are healthy, simple, easy. Just here to give you some motivation to do some meal prepping and be healthy for the week. So I hope you enjoyed this one. I will see you all next time. I hope you have a really great weekend. Bye-bye.